Ejo, what are you seeing on the floor?
I see letter E.
You are seeing letter E. Please, audience, we have only one issue on the floor. And follow this, please rotate. Ejo, initially you said you saw letter M. What are you seeing now?
3.
Letter 3. The same, you said M, now you are seeing 3.
It's 3, sir.
You are seeing 3 now?
Yes.
Oh, please, what are you seeing?
Yeah, I'm seeing letter W.
Wait, initially it was not the one you are seeing.
Exactly.
What happened now?
So, serious, I can tell you when I'm.
It's okay. Alaji, please, what are you seeing now?
I see letter E.
Letter E?
Yeah.
But that was not the first thing you told me.
I'll tell you later.
Last time. Ajia, for the last time, please, what are you seeing on the floor?
Card. W.
Ajia, you seem you are not consistent in your answer. The first time you told me a different thing. The second time you said something else, and now you are telling me W. Please, what can you see?
Let me see it again. It's W, sir.
Or do you have a problem with your eye?
Maybe.
Oh, please, what can you see on the floor?
It's like when the body is turning around, which right now I'm seeing letter E, but I don't know what will come behind.
But nobody is touching the paper or doing anything on the ground. So, okay, let's start Alaji. Alaji, what can you see on the floor?
I see M now.
Look very well, turn around, when they turn around the paper. So what we are saying in essence is that as far as conflict is concerned, you can discover that most of the conflicts we have been experiencing on the Just Plateau was as a result of us being ignorant of what is happening. Most of us here, when you ask us what is the causes or how did the conflict come about, we don't have answers to them. But when it comes to the issue of carrying stones, carrying knives, we are always at the forefront. I want to believe that almost all of us seated here this afternoon, none of us have negotiated with God that you want to be a man or a woman, or you want to be a Muslim or a Christian. So who told you that Muslim is not the right religion, nor Christianity is not the right religion? And there's this saying that he who wears the shoes knows where it pinches. So what we are saying in essence is that please and please, whenever there's a rumor or there's a problem on ground, take your time and verify. Don't just jump into conclusions or take actions, but take your time, study the environment, and if possible, make useful suggestions and recommendations. But the issue of fighting and condemning one another, at the end of the day, you be ashamed of yourself because you may not even know the person you are slapping. He may either be your in-law or he may even be your uncle somewhere. So what we are advising here is that please and please, in regards to conflict management, it is true that conflict is inevitable, but when it comes to the issue of managing conflict, let's always take the right step in managing conflict by trying to understand individuals' perspective, and as we tolerate one another and as we view things in other people's opinion, I bet you we'll have a better understanding of each other. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you for that self-explanatory. That exists without one another. Next on the list, we are going to have a brief history